Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the mobile data to the control center in this device. So for this we need to customize the control center. For this, go open the control center. Now press and hold the blank area of the control center, otherwise tap on the plus button on the top left side. Okay, now the control center is enabled to edit. So now I am going to show you how to add a new control. For this, tap on the option add a control at the bottom tab. Now simply scroll down under the connectivity option. So here you can see the option cellular data. If you tap on this one, now you can see the cellular data is here. Actually you can replace the position, and also you can resize this one also. You can see. After edit this one, tap on the plus blank area of the control center. So here you can see the cellular data is on the control center. So simply in this way you can add the mobile data or the cellular data to the control center in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.